Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the future of biotechnology and genetic engineering. These fields are already making waves, but trust me, you ain't seen nothing yet. We're talking about changing the world on a fundamental level, folks. We'll explore the potential benefits from curing diseases to feeding the world. And yes, we'll also examine the possible drawbacks, because with great power comes great responsibility, and believe me, this stuff is powerful. So strap yourselves in, get your thinking caps on, and let's get started. First up, let's talk about you and me, well, ourselves to be precise. Imagine a world where medicine is tailored just for you, based on your unique genetic makeup. That's the promise of personalized medicine. And it doesn't stop there. Gene therapy could potentially correct genetic defects at their root, offering cures for diseases that are currently incurable. We're talking cystic fibrosis, muscular dystrophy, maybe even cancer. And let's not forget about biopharmaceuticals, medicines produced using living organisms. We're already seeing the benefits with insulin, but imagine the possibilities for even more complex treatments in the future. It's an exciting time to be alive, folks. Now, let's head out to the fields, where biotechnology is poised to revolutionize agriculture. Imagine crops engineered to resist pests and diseases, reducing the need for harmful pesticides. Picture crops that can thrive in harsher climates, withstanding drought and floods. And get this, crops with increased nutritional value, packing more vitamins and minerals in every bite. With a growing global population, feeding everyone sustainably is crucial, and biotechnology might just be the key. Speaking of sustainability, biotechnology also holds promise for environmental protection. Ever heard of bioremediation? It's like giving nature a helping hand to clean up pollution. We're talking about using microorganisms to break down oil spills, detoxify contaminated soil, and even remove heavy metals from water. And then there's carbon capture, using algae or bacteria to absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. These are just a few examples of how biotechnology can help us combat climate change and protect our planet for future generations. Okay, let's talk economics. Biotechnology isn't just good for our health and the planet, it's also poised to be a major economic driver. Think about it. New discoveries and technologies create new industries, new jobs, and new opportunities for international trade. We're talking about a bio-based economy where everything from plastics to fuels to medicines is made from renewable resources. That's a future I can get behind. Now, before we get too carried away with all the amazing potential, it's important to address the ethical concerns surrounding biotechnology. One big one is genetic privacy. If our genetic information is used for personalized medicine, who has access to it? How do we protect it from misuse? And then there's the concept of designer babies. And if we can edit genes to prevent diseases, what's to stop us from selecting for desirable traits like intelligence or athletic ability? These are complex questions with no easy answers. And it's crucial that we have open and honest discussions about the ethical implications of these technologies. Let's face it, folks, even with the best intentions, messing with nature can have unintended consequences. We've seen it time and time again with the introduction of invasive species, the use of DDT, and even the development of antibiotic resistance. With biotechnology, we're talking about potentially altering entire ecosystems. What happens if a genetically modified crop crossbreeds with a wild relative? Could it lead to the creation of superweeds or the extinction of natural species? These are risks we need to carefully consider. Now, while the potential benefits of biotechnology in medicine are undeniable, we can't ignore the potential health risks. Long-term effects of gene editing, for example, are still largely unknown, and the overuse of antibiotics in agriculture is already contributing to the rise of antibiotic-resistant bacteria, a major threat to global health. We need to proceed with caution, folks, and prioritize rigorous safety testing and responsible regulation. Finally, let's talk about access and equity. Who benefits from these groundbreaking technologies? Will personalized medicine be available only to the wealthy, exacerbating existing health disparities? Will small farmers be able to compete with large corporations that control genetically modified seeds? These are critical questions about social justice that we need to address to ensure that the benefits of biotechnology are shared by all. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments what you think about the future of biotechnology and genetic engineering. See you next time.